Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about some of the most common breakdowns that happen on vehicles these days. And the number one has to be a check engine light issue. Now, does it always leave you alongside the road? No, not necessarily. But is your vehicle telling you something's wrong? Absolutely. So a lot of these items persist with lean conditions that could have something to do with a fuel pump failure. Anything electronic, such as fuel control, ignition control, computer controlled items. We have a lot of these issues that pop on vehicles when there is a concern. That is the number one. And the reason for that is so much on a vehicle these days is controlled by modules and electronically controlled items as far as that goes. Other items that seem to fail are cooling system issues. Now, often these can be prevented by a good inspection regularly on the vehicle, replacing the coolant when required by the manufacturer, along with other items such as the thermostat, things like that. So keeping a good eye on these items along with tires. Tire failures are a big thing these days and can be very expensive. Tires are hard to look at. We need to have a professional take a good look at your car. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.